To set up your abacus for wrist rolling, place 2 ball assemblies in slots with 1 open slot between them. For the ball roll, you're going to want to take your 1 ball assembly or your 2 ball assembly and place it in the end slot. Don't forget to lock your abacus before using it. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating 2 movements for the wrist roll, using the abacus in a variety of positions. The movements are the wrist roll and the ball roll. Remember, keep your wrist in neutral and your whole body relaxed. Slowly roll the base of your hand and the wrist over 1 or more gel balls. Explore rolling the front, back, and sides of your wrist. Turning your palm down, up, in, and out. Keep your wrists in neutral. For the ball roll, guiding with your opposite arm, slowly roll the gel balls over the front, back, and sides of your wrist. Keep both wrists neutral. Relax your hand and wrist as needed. The benefits of wrist rolling: releases tension, restores gliding of muscles and fascia, increases hand and wrist movement, improves wrist function.